Uy! Bakit umabot ng 5 tamsak? Sino dyan? Tapos 1 viewers lang. Thank you kung sino man nagtamsak. Thank you guys. Uy, 4 na naman. On and off ang viewers. Thank you. Ahon guys. Oh, we never yet see the square bell, but maybe on that other side. Ganda ng panahon. Thank you for the on and off viewers. Thank you guys. Sana na na na. Thank you guys. Ganda dito lakaran guys. Ang daming upuan, ang daming benches. Yeah. Ayan, ang ganda ng view. See? Oh, there's an open house. Oh, not Anzures. Open house. Which one is open house? Yan kayang building na yan? Where's the open house? Yan. So there's another sitting area here. Yan, di ba? Ganda ng sitting area. Ooh, this is the best one here. Oh, I heard chirping. So since it's been raining guys, so the creek had water this time. See, did you see the creek guys? It's nice to look, huh? There's water on the corner. And that's the hills. The hills is very green. And yeah, it's so nice right there. There's the new building for the kids. See, ang ganda. Ganda tingnan, no? There's water. Oh, the branches are breaking. So pretty. Look at that. So amazing. Right there. And the new building is done. It's fully done. It's just waited to have a open house. So that's the building that I always walk here. And a lot of workers. So it's done. New building. And well, this is the hill. This is the creek. Ayan.